Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a wiggle text effect in After Effects. Let's get started. First, open After Effects and create a new project. Once your project is open, create a new composition by going to Composition and selecting New Composition. Set your composition settings as needed and click OK. Now create your text. Go to the toolbar and select the Text tool. Click anywhere in your composition and type your text. Adjust the size and color of your text as desired. For this tutorial, I'll make my text white and larger. Next, create a new solid layer. Go to Layer, then select New and choose Solid. The color of the solid doesn't matter, so just click OK. With the solid layer selected, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Fractal Noise. Drag and drop the fractal noise effect onto your solid layer. In the Effect Controls panel, find the Evolution options under Fractal Noise. Hold the Alt key or Option key on Mac and click on the stopwatch icon next to Random Seed. This will open the Expression Editor. Delete the default text and type in time*10, then press Enter. Now, pre-compose the solid layer. Right-click on the solid layer in the timeline, choose Pre-compose, and make sure to select Move all attributes into the new composition. Click OK. Turn off the visibility of the solid layer by clicking the eye icon next to it in the timeline. Now, select your text layer. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Displacement Map. Drag and drop the Displacement Map effect onto your text layer. In the Effect Controls panel, set the Displacement Map layer to the solid layer you just pre-composed. Adjust the horizontal displacement and vertical displacement settings to your liking. This will control how much your text wiggles. Play your composition by pressing the spacebar. You should see your text wiggling. If you want to adjust the speed or intensity of the wiggle, you can go back to the solid layer's pre-composition and modify the time*10 expression to a higher or lower number. And that's it. You've successfully created a wiggle text effect in After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you have any requests for other tutorials, let me know in the comments.